have learned a valuable lesson, which took me a few days to understand. We're never really fully in control of what we do or what happens on paper. So this was supposed to be a doodling style kind of thing. I used this Molotow marker to create some masking, and then I added the colors. And I didn't like the fact that I was left, when I removed the masking fluid, I was left with these thick white outlines. I don't mind these, but these, it wasn't floating my boat. And so I went back with a brush and I started filling in a little bit more to reduce the amount of white. And then I gave up because I wasn't enjoying myself. So I thought, no, I'm gonna start all over again, and instead of using masking fluid, because I had problems, I have two. The first one I had was not brand new and it kept clogging up on me. This one is brand new, but I kind of have a feeling that the second time I'm gonna use it, I'm gonna have problems. So these are not really my thing. So I figured if I start with a colored background and then maybe seal it with Camara varnish, and then going back over these with white Signo gel pen. So this was the second background. This was the answer to correcting this. And then all of a sudden, as soon as I started playing with the colors, it was very obvious to me that I kind of had the makings of a seascape, and I just let it unfold. Had I tried to push this onto this, I don't think it would have been as successful. And it's very minimalistic, yes, but sometimes, you know, less is more, as they say, and I'm kind of liking this. I darkened this area a little bit because to me they look like cliffs. Yes, I was looking for the word in English. In French we call them falaises. And then I added a little bit of foiling. I love the effect. So I just added a little bit randomly on the water to mimic the reflection of the sun. I like it. It's simple. And once I decided not to fight against it to make it the way I really wanted it, I just let basically the colors dictate where I should go next. And that's how it ended up. So I hope you have enjoyed this little process video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Also, a huge thank you to my awesome patrons for supporting me over at Patreon. You guys are the best. I will link the supplies list in the description of this video. You just have to click on show more. Thanks for watching. Have a super creative day, and I will see you soon.